Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do this really cute ponytail style that I've seen. So you're going to start off by just taking a section of hair and going up to the centre like that. And then I'm just going to pop that hair into an elastic in the centre, like so. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. And again, you're just going to pop in another elastic. Like so. So then I'm just going to hold on to these elastics and you're just going to do a little bit of teasing out. So this is completely optional how much you want to do this. I'm just going to create a little bit of texture all the way around here. So then I'm just going to take a hairpin, come onto this side first, wiggle it over to the other side and then just push it down. So just to make sure this hair doesn't get in my way, I'm just going to kind of catch it with a hair grip like that, just so it doesn't kind of get involved with this piece for a minute. Hold of your two ponytails and we're going to do a figure of 8. We're going to take a small section of hair and we're going to take it over, under and back over. So it goes over, pushing it up, it goes under this one, then back over the top, underneath again until it gets to that side. Then you're going to take a small section of hair from here, join it together and you're going to take it over, under the right one, back over, under the left one, back over. And I'm starting to run out of hair, so as I come to this side I'm then going to add in a tiny piece of hair. You go again, figure of 8, over, under, over, under. Again I'm starting to run out of hair, so just kind of alternate between the sides if you can. Just sort this bit out underneath again. So we go under, over, under, over. And again I'm just going to add in a tiny piece of hair to this, taking it over the top. And then you can kind of decide how long you want this figure of 8 to be. I might just do one more little add in. Like so. I'm then going to take a little elastic and I'm going to join this one and this right piece together to hold it into place. Taking my little section and my big section, taking my elastic, tightening that up like so, and now just covering up these top ones here. I'm going to release that original grip because I don't want it to be seen. That was just kind of holding them together a bit for me. But if you want to, you can go back to the top now. Just kind of weave that together and push that through the centre. So now I'm just going to wrap this braids with a little piece of hair. It is quite an intricate style this is, but I just think it looks so different. And pop a little elastic in here. So then we're going to grab some of this hair. So I've got this piece here which is part of the braid and then a little bit sort of on the head that's going to anchor it a little bit for me. And we're going to tie that into an elastic. Again we're going to go in and just create a little bit of texture. I'm just going to grab a little bit of spray to help me do that because the hair's quite soft. So I'm loving at the minute the Colour Wow Style on Steroids it's called. So just a little spray of that is just going to give the hair a bit of grip and then that should help me create that texture that I'm looking for. I'm not going to do these bits here, just this top piece. So I'm just going to wrap that elastic in the same way as we did to this bit here, wrapping it round, holding it round the back, and then we're going to come back to doing a little infinity braid again. So parting the hair into two, grabbing a little piece, we're going to go over, under, back over, under, back over, adding a little piece to it, and we're going to go over, under, back over, and again you can just kind of decide how big you want this braid to be. And then again we're going to wrap this. And then you're just going to take hold of the rest of this hair, like so. And just, I want that kind of to sit on the nape of the neck, so I'm just lifting it slightly. And it's also creating a really nice bit of volume through this area. Now because this ponytail is very flat, I'm just going to add a little bit of dimension here, but it's completely optional. You haven't got to do this to create the style. Going in with a bit of texture spray again. So even though it is a fiddly style, I just feel like it just has lots of dimension to it and lots of interest. So definitely one worth giving a go.